This is your last real chance to get rich in 2025. If you don't act now, you'll miss the window completely. Look, I'm not here to hype you up or sell you dreams. I'm just telling you the truth as clearly and directly as possible. The world is changing fast, and for most people it's getting worse. Prices are rising, jobs are disappearing, and no one is coming to save you. But while most people panic, a few smart ones will use this chaos to change their lives and make more money than anyone else ever thought possible. If you move fast, this could be you. Now, if you're wondering why you should listen to me, my name is Fred, and I come from a low middle class family. That actually gave me the drive to build the online business that's made me thousands of dollars in profit per day. So I do know a thing or two about making money remotely, which is exactly why I'm making this video for you today. Let's get straight to it. The system you were raised in is broken. Actually, scratch that. It's not just broken. It was never built to help you win and make money and be free. From the moment you were a kid, they told you to sit still, follow the rules, do your homework, and go to college. Even if it means getting hundreds of thousands of dollars in debt. Then they told you to get a job, work hard for 40 years, and maybe retire with enough money to live a quiet life. That whole plan, it was designed by people who wanted to control you, not help you. Rich people don't play by those rules. They don't trade time for money. They own businesses, assets, and systems that make them money every single day, whether they work or not. The people in charge, the so-called elites, already decided how they want the future to look. They literally say things publicly like you will own nothing and be happy. That's not a joke. Google me if you don't believe it. It's part of their actual plan. They want regular people to rent everything, depend on the government, and stay distracted. They use the news, social media, and even your school to push their message. And while you're focused on working harder, spending less money so you can save a little bit more, they're making moves behind the scenes, buying everything up and getting richer by the second, only to leave you with nothing. Now, unfortunately, we're not allowed to share everything on YouTube, which is why I've recorded a free video to show you how I made over $1,000 a day in profit from my laptop. And right now, we're also offering a few free consultation calls with me or my team to help you come up with a game plan to reach financial freedom in 90 days or less using the PTP method. Now, I highly suggest you click the link in the description below when you're done watching this video. But be quick, because spots speed up extremely fast and soon we'll be forced to take the video down. Inflation is eating away at your money. That means your savings buy less and less each year. Imagine saving up $1,000 and then next year it's only worth $900. That's what inflation does. At the same time, artificial intelligence is replacing workers. Big companies like Google and Apple are firing thousands of people, and they're not slowing down. AI can do many jobs faster and cheaper than a human. This isn't a theory, it's already happening. If giant tech companies are laying people off, what do you think will happen to your job? No position is safe anymore. I can't tell you the amount of people on a weekly basis who tell me they lost their jobs recently. That's not a joke, it comes from actual real people. And no, college degrees won't save you. People used to think that if you got an MBA or some other fancy named degree, you were set for life. But now, having a degree doesn't guarantee anything, it's toilet paper at best. In fact, many graduates are jobless or stuck in low-paying jobs buried in debt. Schools love to brag about how successful their students are, but they only highlight the few who make it. The truth is, most students could have done just as well, if not better, by learning real-world skills and building something on their own. So what's the answer? Is there even an answer? Or are we just doomed to a world of hell and misery? First, you need to shift your mindset. You don't need to work harder. You need to work smarter by using leverage. Leverage means using tools, systems, people, or money to do more with less effort. Imagine trying to move a giant rock with your bare hands. That's very hard, almost impossible. But if you use a lever, like a stick or a stone, it becomes much easier. That's exactly what the rich do. They find better tools, smarter systems, and other people to help them multiply their efforts. Let me break it down even more. Going from $0 to $10,000 per month is hard. That first step takes energy, learning, and some courage. But once you hit $10,000, going to $100,000 becomes way easier. Why? Because now you have money to reinvest, people to help you, and systems that are proven to work even while you sleep. It's like pushing a snowball down a hill. At first, it's small and slow. But once it starts rolling, it grows faster and faster and faster. You have to decide which side you want to be on, the rich side or the poor side. And the choice starts now. You have to stop feeling sorry for yourself because it changes nothing. Stop blaming the world. Everyone has problems. Everyone feels stuck sometimes. But the truth is, you're one decision away from changing your life. That decision is to stop being a victim and start building something real. People who don't take responsibility for their life or results never go anywhere. Now, let's talk about what not to do. This part is important. Don't start a business just because it looks cool or everyone is doing it. A business based on passion or trends might sound exciting, but if it doesn't solve a problem that people are willing to pay for, it's not going to last. It doesn't matter how much you love baking cookies or drawing comics. If no one pays for it, it's not a business, it's a hobby. And don't listen to people who have never built anything. That includes your parents, your teachers, and even your banker. They might care about you. I'm sure they do. But they often give bad advice because they don't even understand how money really works. Most of them are still stuck in the old system. They will tell you to play it safe, get a job, save up and hope for the best. But playing it safe is the most dangerous thing you can do right now. Don't believe the lie that any business will work if you grind hard enough. Some businesses are just bad models. You can work 12 hours a day and still lose money if you're doing the wrong things. So it's not just about effort alone, it's about direction. You need to move smart, not just fast. Also, don't save money just to save it. Saving is fine, but only if you will use that money to buy things that grow your income. Saving without a plan is like collecting tools, but never building anything with them. And those tools lose value every year, so what's the point? So what should you do instead? Let's get into the clear, simple steps. First, you want to start a cash flow business. That means a business that brings in money quickly and regularly. You don't need $1 million to start. You can begin with very little. Something like consulting, a service, an agency, or another service-based business is perfect. These kinds of businesses don't require big offices, expensive equipment, or a full team. You can start them from your bedroom with a laptop and the internet. Next, learn high-value skills. These are the skills that actually make money. Sales is number one. If you can sell, you can always make money. Then there's marketing, which means getting attention and convincing people to care. Copywriting is another key one. That means writing in a way that makes people take action. And finally, learn how to build systems and automate tasks so your business can grow without you burning out. Don't waste time on shiny tools or fancy websites at the beginning. Focus on getting your first client. That's where the real learning process happens. When someone pays you, you'll quickly figure out what works and what doesn't. That first paying client is a milestone. It proves that your idea has value. And once you've done it once, you can do it again and again. Stack your skills. Stack your cash. Use the money you earn to learn even faster. Buy books, courses, and coaching from people who are where you want to be. That's what I did, and it changed my life. I'll be thankful forever. Use what you earn to hire help, automate boring tasks, and build a system that runs smoothly in your sleep. That's how you stop working in the business and start working on it instead. Now, unfortunately, we're not allowed to share everything on YouTube, which is why I've recorded a free video to show you how I made over $1,000 a day in profit from my laptop. And right now, we're also offering a few free consultation calls with me or my team to help you come up with a game plan to reach financial freedom in 90 days or less using the PTP method. Now, I highly suggest you click the link in the description below when you're done watching this video. But be quick, because spots fill up extremely fast and soon we'll be forced to take the video down. When you're ready to grow, use leverage. That means hiring contractors to do the work for you. It means using tools and software that saves you time. It means running ads to bring in clients faster. Focus on two things: getting clients and keeping them. That's it. If you can do that, you're already ahead of 90% of people. Once your business is running well and you're making real money, invest the profits. Don't just spend them into clothes or cars or whatever. Put that money into assets, back into the business again, and then when you have way more, put some into real estate. If you want, some into crypto. Buy pieces of other businesses. Buy things that give you cash every month without needing to show up. That's how you build wealth. Real wealth doesn't come from trading hours for dollars. It comes from owning things that make money on their own. Now let's zoom out and look at the big picture. You don't need to build $1 billion company. That's not the goal here. The goal is to create cash flow. When you have steady cash coming in, you have freedom. You have time to think, to learn, to experiment, to do the things you want. You're no longer surviving, now you're growing, now you're thriving. You learn the real rules of the game. And once you understand those rules, you can build whatever kind of empire you want. But all of this only matters if you move fast. 2025 is the window. The world is shifting rapidly. If you wait too long, the door will close. You'll look back in 5 years and wish you had started now. Artificial intelligence isn't going to slow down. The economy isn't going to magically fix itself. And no politician is ever going to come knocking on your door with a golden opportunity. They don't care about you. Come on, this is your shot. It's the most real shot you've ever had. The world is shaking up, and in the middle of that shake-up, you can either sit still and hope, or you can take action and rise. The choice is yours. Now, if you're serious about becoming financially free this year, and you want me to personally help you, click the link in the description below, because I've made a video where I'm explaining how I've made thousands of dollars a day in profit. You can also book a free strategy call with me or a member of my team, and we'll help you come up with a custom game plan to reach financial freedom in 90 days or less using the same method that's made me thousands of dollars per day. But be quick, because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast, and soon we'll take that video down. So click on the link in the description below, watch the video, book your free call, and with that being said, I'll see you on the other side.